Starting today, you can access a full year of Premium Pro features, a reward with a market value of $119 at no cost to you. To receive this credit, you must provide the development team with actionable feedback in the form of a structured feature request. Before you begin, open a blank text document on your computer and ensure you have a valid working email address ready for the submission. This opportunity is available to everyone, whether you are exploring the application for the first time or use it as a primary tool in your daily workflow. Preparing your draft in a separate document is a vital step. It allows you to refine your ideas and avoid the vague, low-quality entries that are often filtered out of the selection process. Step 1 is to look at your daily workflow. Recall the most recent moment you felt a specific friction or limitation while using the app. We define this as a pain point, the specific, identifiable obstacle that forces you to stop or slows down your progress. In your text document, write down a single sentence that describes this exact workflow obstacle. Be careful to avoid the most common error in this process, submitting generic feedback. Suggestions like make the app faster don't provide enough information for the team to act on. Instead of a broad request, identify a specific bottleneck. For example, the inability to track project due dates within a specific dashboard view. Developers require a clear understanding of a problem before they can build a solution. A clearly isolated pain point is the necessary foundation for a winning pitch. With your problem identified, you must expand it into the campaign's required 4-part structure. First, provide a clear description of the requested feature. Second, map the new feature directly back to the problem. Third, suggest a specific integration. Finally, explain how this solution benefits the global user base. To understand the difference between an entry that is ignored and one that wins, let's look at how these are judged. This weak submission, add a calendar, lacks detail. The winning example details exactly how a Google Calendar integration solves specific tracking issues. Review your draft now and confirm that your text includes these 4 distinct elements. Fulfilling these criteria provides the developers with an actionable blueprint, which is the level of quality required to earn the $119 reward. Once your draft is ready, return to the application interface to begin the submission. Copy your completed text, go to the main dashboard, and open the live chat widget. Note that by submitting your request, you grant the company permission to use and implement your idea in future updates. Paste your 4-part pitch into the chat window. There is one final way to fail: submitting an anonymous pitch. If you do not provide contact information, the team cannot apply the upgrade to your account. You must type your contact email address at the bottom of the message before clicking send. Completing this final step ensures your pitch is linked to your user account, allowing for the delivery of the Pro Plan reward. Your entry is confirmed. The development team will now review the submissions and notify the winners via the email address provided. Even if your specific pitch is not selected for the grand prize, your detailed feedback helps dictate the future roadmap for the software. By providing this level of detail, you have moved from a passive user to an active contributor to the application's development. To begin your submission, click the Claim Free Pro Access Now button in the log post and launch the chat.